If you're considering a trip to Thailand, this series is tailor-made for you. Having recently traveled to Thailand, I'm excited to bring you a month-long journey breaking down the perfect week that is captivating in this country. While these videos will cover a lot, not to worry, I have a detailed Notion page that will be in the description of each Thailand video. From living costs to transportation options and even the activities I didn't squeeze. It's all there. My experience was an absolutely whirlwind, from awe-inspiring temples and deep dives into their rich religious tapestry to the captivating modernized cities. And how could I forget, not to mention the explosion of flavors from Thai cuisine that boasts about? Every memory of this trip is stitched with excitement. So no more holding back, let's jump into this captivating series. Welcome to Ayutthaya. Now in today's video we are going to be visiting a bunch of ancient temples in this area, and there's so much history here and all of these ruins that we are able to see for free. This one is actually still a active monk sanctuary, so there's a bunch of monks that live in these little cottages right here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you just a lot more of these ruins, and without anything else, let's get into today's video. This temple is an ancient temple that is located in the southeastern area of Ayutthaya. It has been built on the grounds of Kaimir Temple Complex, as suggested by the presence of this large mount. Its history includes the establishment in 1357, the involvement of conspiracies, and the king Naimursi's victory, which led to the expansion and the name change of Wat Yacha Mongku, or also known as the Great Temple of Auspicious Victory.
Did you see that? Holy shoot. That is really high. I don't know how many meters it is, but I do know it's under 90 meters because I was able to fly my drone above it. But this thing is freaking, oh my god, that's so cool. So I think for like 100 baht, you're able to put like a robe over these monk statues. I don't know what it represents, but I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, you just can leave it on them and then they put them on it for you, or you get to do it. And I think it's like a respectful thing, you know? And damn, wow. I think I'm more impressed with these temples than the ones that we got to see in the city. But I have so much more to show you, and I'm excited for the next one because I think that one's going to be a little bit more impressive than this, even though this one's quite impressive just because it's able to still stay intact after so many centuries of it first being built. So on to the next one.
Now almost every monk temple we were able to go to, there's always a prayer section. So this part, I guess, is kind of very sacred, and it smells like sage because of all the burning sticks. But you burn them as you do your prayer, and it looks pretty interesting to me.
Wat Mahatat in Ayutthaya is possibly dated back to the King Boramaraha's the first reign. It is a historical temple that was housed to a sacred Buddhist relic. It played a significant role in the Ayutthaya's royal ceremonies and was damaged by a fire in 1767 when the kingdom fell. Today, it's part of Ayutthaya's historical park and features ancient structures including Paragas and famous Buddha head and tree roots.
This park is massive, but These are really impressive in my opinion. And this place is far bigger than the one that we just came from. And the name of this temple is Wat Mahat, I think. If I butchered it, I do apologize. But oh my god. Now this is one side of the park, and then there's another one. Look at this one. This one's leaning. And then there's another one on the other side that actually has a more complete set of the building. It's this one right here. This one has like more of a ruined look. As you guys can see, not much is really left from the build. But that one we're gonna go to right now, and that one's far more completed and not as broken down as this one. But it's just as impressive because these are still up after centuries of being built. Amazing. Okay, so right before you go into like these temples over there, it shows you what it, generally speaking, what it used to look like when it was first built. And now you have what these ruins look like now. And it's still really, really impressive that a lot of it still remained intact. It is really hot here, but damn, look at that. There used to be like Nod Bula. It's really hot. But this is really impressive. And the fact that you can actually walk on this big prong, I believe they've pronounced these big. They look like a certain half dome, I don't know, tower, I guess you would say. And wow. On it. It's just amazing. But I will say, right here, but look at the detail. Wow. Holy crap. That is so tall. It is so
Here.
big.
Can I take it? Oh, okay. Cool.
Wow, that's so cool.
Wat Raja Purana was built in 1424 in honor of the king's eldest brother. Once stood along the canal of a historical island near Wat Mahathat. It commemorates a family conflict where the third son, Prince Sam Phraya, became king after his two eldest brothers' deaths. The temple suffered severe damages during the Burmese invasion in 1767. However, in 1957, the temple's crypt was looted, resulting in the theft of valuable artifacts, but some were later recovered.